Hello everybody, Pedro Marhindra is here and today we're gonna talking about COVID-19 graph in Indonesia. So here we go. So what is COVID-19? COVID-19 is a serious global infectious disease that outbreak with nearly 550,000 cases and around 25,000 deaths worldwide. It is part of a family of viruses called coronavirus that infect both animal and people. This particularly one originated in China at the end of 2019 in the city of Wuhan, which has 11 million residents. In the past 2 decades, coronavirus outbreaks have caused global concern, including one in 2003 with the severe acute respiratory syndrome, or we call as SARS, and more recently in 2012 with the Middle East Respiratory Syndrome, or we call as MERS. So, what is sign and symptoms of COVID-19? First, fever. Second, cough. And then shortness of breath or difficulty breathing. Also tiredness, aches, chills, sore throat, loss of smell, and loss of taste. Headache, diarrhea, and severe vomiting. So, how much cases in Indonesia? So, this is the graph of increases coronavirus in Indonesia. First, in 2 March, there is no case, or we call as zero case, and then start in 3 in March 10th. It starts with some people that can be cased by coronavirus. And in Indonesia, coronavirus transmission has been confirmed since early March 2020 and has now reached more than 8,800 cases. The addition of positive cases began to accelerate from 6 April on, around 200 and 300 people per day, as indicated by the graph starting on 6 March. In 6 March, 6 April to around 6 April, gradually increasing and had reached more than 400 people on Friday 17 and 4. And then, as indicated by the graph on April 17, the positive patient jumped sharply. Then on Monday 20 April, the Ministry of Health noted that addition of new cases decreased, namely 185 positive cases. As can be seen from the graph, on April 20th, positive case decreased. However, on Thursday, 4/23, the addition of positive cases to 357 patients on Friday, 4/24, increased by 436 patients. As indicated by the graph, that the positive patient case increased rapidly. On Sunday, 26 April, positive cases increased by 275, so that the total positive case of COVID-19 reached 8,882 cases with a total of 743 deaths and 1,107 recovering. In the data of the week of April 26th, the graph can be seen experiencing high increase compared to the first time the coronavirus entered in Indonesia. From the graph, it can be concluded that the positive case recovered and died have increased. The Indonesia government doesn't remain silent. The government always asks the Indonesia people not to leave the house. If forced to leave the house for urgent business, but still as a mask according to the health protocol. The president also appealed to the public through the media, namely TV. Therefore, we as the people of Indonesia, let us support the efforts and appeals of the government to break the chains of the spread of the coronavirus. With us at home, we have already participated in breaking the chain of the spread of COVID-19. May COVID-19 soon disappear from the world, including Indonesia, so that the economy situation and the community activities return to normal as before. So, what can we do as the people of Indonesia to decrease the coronavirus in nowadays? So, the first solution is physical distancing. The minimum of physical distancing is about 2 meters from people to another. And then the second is wash your hand. This is very important because hands is the mostly can be through the coronavirus. And the third is obey all government instruction. So this is the final that we can describe and talk about coronavirus disease 2019 in Indonesia. So thank you for everything. I'm Pedro Marhendra and see you later.